Tiny things have a special kind of magic, but there's something even more enchanting when they're handmade, especially for a baby. Soft yarn, gentle colors, small stitches. Suddenly, something simple becomes something meaningful. And today, we're going deep into the world of baby crochet ideas and patterns that don't just look adorable, but transform any space into a warm, handmade home. Most people think crochet is just crafting, but wait until you see how a single pattern can change the mood of a baby's room, soften the feel of a crib, or add a spark of brightness to a corner of your home. These handmade pieces don't just sit there, they radiate warmth and love in a way store-bought items can't even get close to. But here's the funny truth. With all the baby decor ideas out there, it can get overwhelming fast. Too many patterns, too many colors, and too many styles that never match. And when you're trying to create something beautiful for a baby, you want it to feel soft, safe, meaningful, and bright, not chaotic. You want useful pieces, not decorative items that collect dust. So the real challenge is finding ideas that are both practical and beautiful, easy enough to make, and charming enough to make people ask, "Where did you get that?" That's where crochet becomes a secret superpower. Baby crochet pieces strike the perfect balance between softness, color, and functionality. The beauty is in the stitches, the texture, the way the yarn catches the light. And the best part? You can choose colors that brighten the room instantly. Sunny yellows, pastel pinks, sky blues, mint greens. These colors don't just look cute, they create a gentle, joyful energy that makes a baby's space feel alive and full of love. Imagine a pair of tiny baby booties in soft lemon yellow. They're not just adorable, they're warm, flexible, and gentle on a baby's skin. They stretch just right and hug the tiny toes in a way only handmade yarn can. Now picture these little booties sitting next to a matching baby blanket draped over a crib. The brightness of the colors lifts the whole space. Instead of dull neutrals, you get this fresh, cheerful glow that welcomes you every time you walk in. Or think about a crochet baby mobile. Clouds, stars, and little animals hanging from a wooden ring. The stitches create texture, the colors add charm, and the gentle sway creates a soothing atmosphere. It's beautiful decor, but it's also something a baby can focus on, calming their eyes and encouraging early development. One of the most loved baby crochet items is the classic baby blanket. It's timeless. But the beauty is that each handmade blanket tells a story. You choose the pattern, you choose the colors, you choose the softness. And when you use bright pastels or gentle rainbow tones, the blanket becomes a piece of art. It brightens the nursery, adds comfort during nap time, and becomes something a child grows up with. Years later, that same blanket might still be folded on a shelf with memories stitched into every row. Then there are crochet toys. Tiny bunnies, bears, lambs, dolls. Because they're handmade, they're safer, softer, and more customizable. You can choose bright colors that spark curiosity or soothing shades that help calm the room. The magic of these toys is in the details. A simple embroidered smile, a pair of floppy ears, a cute little scarf. These small touches make the toy feel alive. It becomes a companion, not just an object. And let's not forget baby hats. Crochet hats are some of the most useful baby items ever. They keep the baby warm, they stretch naturally, and with the right stitches, they're unbelievably soft. When you add bright colors like coral, mint, or powder blue, they make the baby look even more adorable. A simple pom-pom or tiny ears stitched on top can turn a basic hat into something unforgettable. Even home decor pieces take on a whole new personality when made for a baby space. Crochet wall hangings and soft rainbow colors bring brightness to blank walls. Tiny baskets made with thick yarn help you organize little socks, toys, and wipes while looking pretty. Even small crochet coasters or mats placed on shelves or under frames add texture and warmth. These are the kinds of details that make a home feel thoughtful and cozy. The brightness of the colors is a big part of what makes crochet decor stand out. Baby decor doesn't have to be pale beige or dull. Bright colors add life, but in crochet form, they stay soft and calming. A bright turquoise becomes gentle. A sunny yellow becomes warm. A rosy pink becomes sweet instead of overwhelming. Yarn absorbs color in a way that feels smooth and comforting, so even bold shades look welcoming. That's the beauty of working with yarn. It takes color and softens it, giving your home decor a natural glow. The more you explore baby crochet ideas, the more you realize how flexible they are. You can make practical items like bibs, washcloths, stroller blankets, and crib organizers, or artistic pieces like hanging clouds, framed crochet squares, floral garlands, and rainbow arches. Every piece adds beauty and usefulness at the same time.